left, show you
left
running
hand,
the parts.
yeah, I'm not gonna go in and out because then I'm gonna lose my zero. But.
Okay.
So what we're doing is just putting the parts in here. Once we hit start, these two clamps will come in. This clamp's gonna come down. Door's gonna close, and then we'll start drilling.
And then you get the coolant and stuff running too?
Okay. Yeah, I just have it off right now just to keep the noise down.
Okay, well don't worry about the noise. Let's
Right. So every time you turn off the coolant, you're gonna get a no-flow coolant fault.
Okay.
So we'll go to the fault screen, turn the coolant on, clear that out, go back to auto on, and then we can start drilling. And then all your chips are going to flow out to the right there. Preferably you want to have a heavier chip. It ends up, if you get real thin chips and your feed rate's not too great, you're going to get really thin chips and they'll actually bind on the bits, which causes them to break a little easier. But with the nice heavy chips, I mean, with these parts just alone, you can run 3 to 5 cycles, and then you got to go in the back and just kind of clean off the drill bits a little bit, just to make sure we're not binding or anything like that.
And how's this one running?
Good.
Are the parts
good so far?
Tolerances?
Yeah, tolerances are pretty good. Here's the finished part here. We'll go raw to finish.
Okay.
Just a 1/2-inch hole. But parts are running pretty good right now.
Controls working. You said that you're not running this one anymore because you're all done with those parts you were saying?
Yeah, we ran out of all the parts, and so we're just running this left side now.
Okay. So this is the right hand machine.
Yep. And then
show me the different screens on it.
So in order to bring the drills in and out, you got to hold this common button down, and then jog negative is towards you.
All right.
Jog positive is away. And then when you're bringing them in, the way that we set the depth, I mean, I wish that barrel wasn't so loose, but the way we set the depth is we actually take like a piece of steel that's flat, hold it straight across this, and then if you're not holding that common button, if you hit this, it goes in like increments of like 100 thousandths or so. 10 thousandths, excuse me. And so you just bring that in or out until you feel it touch that, and then you hit your 0 set, and then your machine's home.
But everything on this was running.
Yeah.
You just finished up the run of parts.
Yep.
Okay.
Well, yeah, exactly. It's a twin to this left hand.
All right. Let's. You're saying this is where the new PLC?
Yeah. This bottom one here is the newer one.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't honestly know what the issue was with the old one, but I think it just failed completely, so they just replaced it.
New PLC in it, and there's the magnetic chip conveyor.
And then I don't know if you want to get like a picture of like the chips or something.
Yeah, when you're running it again, I'll show it going up.
Okay. Want to make sure they're tight up against those barrels, because if they're cocked anyway, you know, you're going to get a.
Do you know what the stroke is on these stuff? Well, it's about this.
I want to say like 10 inches maybe.
Okay.
I'm not 100% positive. I mean, if I go all the way back with it, we get like positive like 8 or 9 point something, and then it comes in 2.5 inches. So.
Well, the way that you set up with the fixture and stuff is kind of a moot point.
Okay.
But is there anything like with startup, like when you shut it down, turn it on?
Usually
you gotta go through?
Just do it real quick. So hit the E-stop, shut it off, obviously. pull your E-stop out. The only thing you really ever have to mess with, unless you actually power off the machine,
Right.
is your pulley range is gonna change. We run number 6 1480 RPM to 440 or 4400.
Okay, those are your RPM pulleys. Okay.
But other than that, I mean, oh, fault screen. So set your pulleys. Yeah, if you actually shut off the machine, you have to reprogram your depth and your feed rate.
Okay, so that's what you have to do when you turn it. Okay.
So other than that, I mean, it's pretty easy to start to get
and the
going.
pulleys.
Right.
Okay. All right.
So there's not a whole lot to it. I mean, I'm pretty positive there's a procedure in the actual manuals there, but I don't believe the feed rates are 100% right. Because we were running at 2.6 inches per minute.